Welcome to Creative Dose. The futuristic models of transport don't only exist in science fiction movies, they already take place in our world and will soon shape how people commute. Technology brings the ultimate revolution in the transportation industry. It will be an interesting and exciting phase for the transportation industry. With every rising day, new future transportation technology are finding their way into the transport industry. The transportation industry is no exception in the upturn of technological innovations. A simple Google patent search shows that countless new patents in the field of transportation engineering have been registered in the last 10 years alone. We shall talk about the top 10 future transportation technologies shock the world. Just a reminder that this future transportation technology don't exist and they're just a concept and give us a glance at how the future transportation technologies will look. So let's get started. Number 1. Walking car. Hyundai is a popular car maker, designed a car that looks straight out of a Star Wars movie. The walking vehicle differs significantly from traditional vehicles. It looks like it has almost legs and knees and the capability of climbing up steps, inclines and driving on different grounds, terrains and rugged surface. Makes it the perfect futuristic mode of transport. It was primarily designed as a vehicle for the armed forces. Besides walking cars, the future will also bring automobiles with the ability to transform into different things. Toyota has already created the e-Palette concept vehicle, which can be converted from a regular cab to a store selling any type of products or delivery van. It will improve cars' basic functionality as well as their versatility. Number 2. Drone Bus. A New York-based startup named Calicona has revealed its plan to disrupt the existing public transport system with a futuristic drone bus that will be able to transport 40 people. This is proper sci-fi stuff, and the company claims that drone bus will be ready by as early as 2024 for its first passenger flight, along with flying taxis and autonomous helicopters that can transport only a few people. A flying bus can commute a group of 40. Apart from a higher number of passengers travel on a drone bus from Los Angeles to San Francisco or London to Paris takes only an hour, similarly to an aeroplane flight. The difference, however, is that the drone bus will be able to land and take off closer to city centers. Number 3. Last mile robots. Transportation technology is not just about moving people. It may also contain the technology that helps to get our package and products from point A to point B. One of the greatest advances in transportation technology for the shipping industry is last mile robotics. Instead of relying on a delivery driver or postal worker to deliver the item to your doorstep, companies are now using robots to traverse cities and glide down sidewalks to deliver your package right to your front door. Amazon and FedEx are currently using robots in certain cities to deliver packages within a few kilometers of their fulfillment centers. And Domino's Pizza is using robots to deliver their pizza orders on time. Number 4. Flying taxis. Whether it's the startup or large companies, flying taxis will be the future of the transportation industry. Uber has announced to come up with flying taxis by 2023. Under the assistance of NASA, the goal of Uber is focused on building a flying taxi that is electrically powered and flies passengers to their destination. An example of such a flying taxi is Volocopter, an autonomous aircraft with electric power. As of now, Volocopter is under test in Dubai. Number 5. Self-balancing wheelchairs. By making use of state-of-the-art technology, this wheelchair uses two large wheels to drive on flat terrain, while two sturdy rubber tracks allow it to climb and descend stairs with ease. Thanks to its wide base, and the wheelchair is also able to go up and down a spiral staircase. Its design is also compact enough so as to maneuver easily indoors and fit through standard doors. It can also rotate on the spot, drive on slippery terrain such as snow or loose gravel, and can rise itself so as to bring the user at eye level, as well as to reach overhead objects. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.